There's a saying about time, and it's better to be 3 hours too early than 1 minute too late. And that's the beauty of it. My brother is 143,328 hours, plus or minus, early. But he isn't too late. He's right here, right now, in this moment where he's supposed to be.
Oh my God. Yeah. I think so. So
Gorgeous.
Shake my money, mate.
I love you in so many ways I can never fully explain. You engage my crazy rants, my unstable moods, and you don't find fault in them, but you love them. I can see your shadow. I promise you'll always be right, and I'll never be wrong. You balance me out in more ways than I can state. You're my best friend, my happy place, my lover, my future, and my always happiness.
I promise to always listen to your rants and be your sounding board. But I also promise to kiss you when you've gone too far to distract you. I promise to be your forever partner, to support you and encourage you in every decision you make. I promise to help you in building a home where we can both grow into the best versions of ourselves and where we can create a family filled with love, Star Wars, and the beach. Today we start a lifetime together, and I cannot wait to see where we go from here. I love you beyond measure.
As your kids grow up, you hope they find the same true love as you and your spouse have. When I see Justin and Mackenzie, I see they have found that in each other. Jen and I have known Justin for quite a while now, really getting to know him through early soccer tournaments and taking family vacations together, and hopefully many more to come. He is a good man, and I'm very proud to call him my son-in-law.
Don't be afraid, my dear. You stop.